Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Janvi Behra, and today we're gonna talk about how you can improve your English skills without talking to or speaking to any partner. And today I'll give you 5 tips that how can you do it yourself without talking to any human or any partner, or without downloading any speaking practice app. So if you're interested in this video, watch it till the end. Okay, so the first tip would be watch movies and podcasts and imitate them. If you watch a movie, then you will get it that how they speak, and you will get some culture, how the culture are, and you can improve your speaking skill if you imitate the word by word what the speaker is saying in the movie. And if you are a beginner, you can turn on the subtitles and read it and just listen to how they sound. And if you're watching podcast, then also imitate them what they are saying, read the caption. And if as a beginner, you should always turn on the caption, and as you go a understanding of English, then you should always turn off the subtitles, because when you on the subtitles, you are just reading it and you are not listening it and not speaking it. Like this you will not improve your listening skills. And so please turn on the subtitles if you are a beginner. Okay, and this will help you pretty much to learn and understand what they are saying, and try to get the intonations. And and the second thing would be listen to songs and imitate them. Okay, and sing along with them. Search a song and find some song that you like, the beat that you like, and the song that you enjoy, that is your vibe, the music, and write down the lyrics and sing along with the song until you become familiar with the lyrics and your pronunciation gets better. It will help you to improve your pronunciation skills. And it is a very enjoyable process to learn a language. Listening skills and pronunciation skill will improve without talking to anyone. And if you are if you are a song lover, then this would be a blessing for you, I'm telling you. And the third tip would be speak to yourself. No matter where you are going, what you are doing, maybe you are cooking, so, and if you are cooking, then you can say like, I am cooking this, and I am making tea for my father, for my sister, and I am chopping some onions, tomatoes, and I am making this recipes. And if you're interested in making dinner or lunch or this kind of thing, you can see some videos on it, in cooking skills in English. It will enhance your kitchen vocabulary and the vegetables, what to say them in English. It is a very fantastic idea to learn cooking and English together. And the fourth idea would be record yourself. You can record yourself in an audio and listen to that audio. Like this you can identify the areas that you need to improve. You can identify the areas that you need to improve, and what you are humbling to say, you can practice that more later. And I did it myself, and you must be thinking, then what should I record? Then I have an idea for it that I used to do. When when I watch a movie that I love, I started recording that, I started talking about the characters, the storyline, and I would say, I would recommend to you that say the hero was so handsome, the heroine was so, you know, fearless, so amazing, so beautiful, and so kind-hearted, and the story was like this, and it was a like love triangle, or it was a horror movie, or anything you watch, you can record yourself in English. And don't worry, you won't get what to say, and sometimes your mind would be blank, the words will be in your head, but you won't able to speak it out loud. It happened with me also when I was used to do it. But as you consistently do it, your speaking practice will improve, your vocabulary will improve. Okay, and the 5 things that you can do to improve your English speaking skill without talking to any partner, that is become a YouTuber. And I'm not lying, start recording yourself, start making video, and this will make you more confident. It will take your confidence level from here to here, and you don't need to upload it. You can private it and just watch them and watch yourself speaking in this language and see your expressions, and identify the areas that you need to improve. And this will help you so much even if you're a beginner. And let me tell you, don't translate things in your head, just think. Even if you are not understanding anything, just watch things in English, the target language that you want to learn, even if it's not English and any other language. Just watch bloggers, travel bloggers, and movies, listen to songs, record yourself. And if you do this kind of thing, that your mind will get excited. Yeah, I want to do this, I want to listen to song, I want to watch a movie, and this kind of thing can motivate you to learn a language. And yeah, this was my 5 tips for you guys today that you can do without you can improve your English speaking skill without talking to any partner. And I hope you are taking something from this video, and you can use it in your daily life to improve your English speaking skills. And this is what I wanted to say, and help you to do what you want to do. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.